We originally took Roxy for acupuncture when her hips started to give out. She could barely walk. She couldn't run or play anymore. Roxy wasn't a very good patient in the beginning. She would shake so much that the needles wouldn't stay in, but finally she learned to settle down and it became very, very helpful. And now, as you can see, she can run and play. After each one, she would usually be quiet for about an hour, and then she'd be up and playing. She loves to go for walks now. She loves to take her trip around the neighborhood. We will probably start it up again because she tore her ACL in October, and she probably could use a few treatments right now. Well, as I said before, she couldn't run or play as much as she is now. She's back to being 6 years old again, as opposed to her 10, acting 14.
We want to make her as comfortable as possible. So let's give it a try.
Sure.
We have friends who would be skeptical, and again, he said, it works. You know, why not let other people know that it works for us, and they could try it too. I tell you what, there was a point where if we could get, you know, a half a cup of food in her, that was success. I know she's feeling better. I know she's feeling better.
Shep was a little old man at the time that I went to inquire about acupuncture. And because as he was getting older, he was having problems walking, and I wanted him to be comfortable. Once he went in, he immediately, at the first needle that was put in, was completely calm. He relaxed totally, and then he was able to go through with a complete first-time acupuncture treatment. After the first treatment, when he went home and he probably relaxed for like a good hour, he was up and running around outside, which he did not been doing for the past week before. And really, it was as if he had a new lease on life from a comfort level of being able to run and play and do those things that Border Collies love to do.
Honey is 17 and a half years old. When we first got her, she had more energy than my husband and I could contain. I would say probably the beginning of this year, she stopped bugging my husband to go for walks because she was having trouble walking. So when we came here for our first acupuncture session, Dr. Erk found problems that I had no idea were issues. But when Dr. Erk, gently felt down her spine for the muscles, you could see the pain. The muscles would twitch. So we really had no idea that she was in this kind of pain. She didn't indicate it in any way. And I thought, oh my goodness, look at the pain my dog is in that I didn't even know. And then I felt really bad. The acupuncture started helping with that, and we saw results within the first 2 weeks. She used to walk like an old lady, real slow across the driveway. And I saw her trot across the driveway. And I looked in absolute amazement. She's walking so much better. She's happier now. You can see it. I am so happy with this program. So if anybody is on the fence, just give it a try.